Hello everyone. Hi Gemini, air sign. So this is the January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate, guys. Wishing you all a very happy new year. So let's see. Let's see what's going on. Gemini. Okay. Wow, beautiful. Four of Pentacles under the deck. So what I'm seeing here, definitely you are holding back, or your person may be holding back. I think it's you. I think you are having hard time to express your feelings. Definitely you are holding back something. Maybe you are not going to invest your money. You are holding back your money. What I'm definitely there is some holding back situation in your life. So let's see your recent past. Two of Cups, Six of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. Definitely in past everything was good, because Two of Cups, Six of Wands and Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are really went good. And Two of Cups, there is soulmate connection between you and your person. And Six of Wands, I think there is equal love between both of you and you are getting success and recognition for what you are doing in your career. Yeah, things are turning out in your favor totally. Recent past was pretty good. So what's going right now? Seven of Wands, the Moon and Page of Pentacles. I think you stand by your power, there is no doubt. You are a very powerful person and you are very passionate about what you are doing. And the Moon with Page of Pentacles, I think there is some secrets, what I'm seeing, you came to know about. And the Moon, the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. Yeah, some communication. I think maybe your person lied to you. Definitely maybe they're hiding something from you, some secrets in this connection. For some, you may be hiding some from your person. Definitely some communication is going to be happened, some message is coming in your way. Right now there is some communication. Page of Pentacles, maybe an apology is coming in your way, Gemini. Yeah, because there are some disturbances between both of you there, because the Moon Pisces card is here. And near future, Five of Cups with Temperance. I think maybe for some there is separation. Yeah, you are feeling sad for the separation, but you didn't see the Two of Cups is here behind. Yeah, you are feeling very very sad. And yeah, you want, I think there is no balance in this situation, but you are achieving balance. Yeah, you are taking your power back now. You are achieving balance. And you are achieving patience also. Yeah, the Star, definitely you are seeing life very hopefully after this, especially after this sad moments. You achieved your balance back. And you achieved patience. And definitely you are seeing life through color spectacles. Definitely the Star, other person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. Definitely some positive changes are coming in your life after these sad moments. Yeah. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings first, Gemini. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy. Yeah, there is a lot of passion. Ace of Wands, definitely your person want new beginning with you. Ace of Wands, there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. They are very passionate about you. Five of Swords, definitely there are some disagreements between both of you. That's why the Moon card is there. I think they may be hiding something from you. They may be backstabbed you. They may be cheated on you, lied to you. For some it could be third party situation also. Yeah. That's why they an apology. They want to say apology to you. Page of Pentacles, some message, communication. But I think you rejected them. What I'm seeing here, Five of Cups. Yeah. Even though you have feelings for your person, I think you decided to move on from your person. For some maybe you are giving another chance. I think they want new beginnings with you. Definitely they are also thinking about the disturbances between both of you, but they want to fix the things. And I think your person also very strong personality. They maybe have some ego issues also. Queen of Wands. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Gemini. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonates and leave the rest, guys. Princess of Swords, Devil, Wheel of Fortune. You both got Wheel of Fortune card. They are also waiting for the right time to come towards you. And Eight of Cups, definitely one person in this connection is walked away. It could be you or your person. Separation. There is separation between both of you. I think Princess of Swords, maybe your person spying on you on social media. Definitely they are waiting for the right time. Maybe they are obsessed with you. Yeah, they are obsessed with you. The Devil. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. The Devil card is here. Definitely some negative energy. Definitely they are obsessively thinking about you. They may be obsessed with you. Yeah, they are also waiting for the right time to come towards you. Maybe they are spying on you. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. That's why they want to send apology message to you, Gemini. So yeah, they want to invest on this connection, but it's up to you. If you know that your person may be putting you in third party situation, maybe they are not worthable for second chance. If it is not any third party situation, maybe small issues, it is okay. If it is third party situation, be careful before giving another chance, because the Devil card is here. Definitely they are obsessed with you. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you. Yeah, apology is coming, what I'm seeing here. Wheel of Fortune, I think divine timing, everything is going, because definitely positive changes are coming in your life, Gemini. The star is there. Yeah, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed and the outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, they want second chance. And you said tower movement. Definitely your person undergoing some tower movement. Yeah, they are obsessed with you. They are obsessively thinking about you. Justice. Yeah, Libra, your person involved in this connection could be Emperor. Yeah, this time they want to be stable with you. They want to offer stability. Maybe they have some ego problems also in past, but they want second chance with you. Let's see. Yeah, reconciliation. I think for some there will be reconciliation. I think you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and you also want this 10 of cups happiness with your person. Definitely you also want reconciliation for some. Maybe for some this could be not third party. Third party always doesn't mean that there is another woman. It could be their family issue. It could be their mother or sister. It could be also treated as a third party. Okay. Yeah. Definitely for some there will be reconciliation, there will be second chances. Yeah. For some, if really it is another woman involved in this connection, it depends how you will take decision. Okay. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Libra. So let's see, Gemini, your overall energy for the week. Justice, Four of Wands, the Lovers, Queen of Swords. Definitely communication, you will give clarity to your person, and you are very straightforward in nature, and you always speaks truth, and you stand by your power. The Lovers, the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Definitely there is love and intimacy between both of you. Four of Wands, you both could be twin flames. Definitely celebration, reunion. Yeah, Justice, they are coming back for second chance, but it totally up to you. Decision is in your hands right now. Yeah, they're coming back for second chances. I think lot of you are going to give another chance to your person, because these are the reconciliation cards. Only very few, it depends upon you. Okay. One card is felt. Yeah, the Tower movement. Definitely your person right now undergoing some Tower movement. Nine of Cups, Five of Cups, see, Nine of Pentacles. I think your person may be abundant. They are also financially stable. Yeah, Five of Cups, they are also suffering in silence. They are also feeling sad for the separation. I think you both are feeling sad for the separation and want the reconciliation. Nine of Cups, definitely they are wishing for reconciliation. They want second chance. I think their wishes are going to be granted. Yeah, they are undergoing some tower moment. Yeah, they're obsessively thinking about you, they're obsessed with you, and they want second chance. Gemini. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle. Okay. A win-win outcome is your forecast. Wow. Definitely you are getting success in every area of your life. I think if you want reconciliation, definitely it will happen because a win-win outcome is your forecast. I want one more because it just fell down. I want one more. Look at the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture. Definitely, if you are not seeing if it is coming, definitely it is coming. Look at the bigger picture. Yeah. If you are doing something in your career but you are not seeing result, please don't disappoint because definitely something big is coming in your way. Yeah, and definitely both cards are connected. See, look at the bigger picture, and a win-win outcome is forecast. Definitely some winning situation is coming in your life. You will get success in your career and relationship. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.